So in this video we are going to learn about Karna Pinda asana and its variation called Ekapada Karna Pinda asana. So to do Karna Pinda asana you have to first get into Sarvangasana and flow position, or Sarvangasana and Halasana before you get into Karna Pinda asana. So let's get into Sarvangasana. So you raise your leg up to Sarvangasana, slightly lower your legs to Halasana, then bring your knees close to you, close to your ears. Then place your toes on the ground. Try to touch your knees on the ground. Then the variation Ekapada Karna Pinda asana you can try with one leg raised to the top. Repeat it with the other side. And slowly come back and roll on the mat, relax in Shavasana. You can again do the counter indication of this particular pose, Matsyasana. Make sure you always do counter indication to bring your spine back into the normal posture. Relax. So this again stimulates the thyroid gland. It's essential for people who have neck problem, who work all the time. If they practice this, they will strengthen their neck enough so that they can withstand any other situation. Even martial artists can practice this particular posture. It will improve their neck strength, and it will also strengthen their small brain, limbic brain, which will help them take much more impact while they are doing combat sports. And if you're suffering from menstrual cycle, if you have slip disc of any kind, you can avoid this particular pose. Do this with caution, don't push too much or you might damage your neck muscles.